guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my final makeup monthly of the year. This month I have one makeup product. I've got two makeup empties, not including Project Pan items, and I have one makeup hack this month. So let's go ahead and get into it and start in with the makeup monthly. I picked the Ulta Beauty Sculpting Brow Pencil in just one of their sales. It's a little bit of a pomade texture. It's really nice. It's a little bit stiffer than a pomade. It kind of reminds me of the Too Faced, it's the, what's it called, the Too Faced Brow Pomade. I got that one a couple of months ago. I actually think I like this one a little bit more. The color's a little bit more suiting for me. It's a little bit on the red side, which I don't mind. I naturally go with more of a taupe because my natural brow color is more of an ash blonde, but I color my hair red, so I don't mind that. I like the spoolie on the other end of it. And as opposed to the Too Faced Brow Pomade Pencil, I like it's a little less pomade and more pencil-like. It's a little bit stiffer, which I feel like it's easier to draw on. It goes on a lot quicker, glides on a lot better. So I do like this more, and it's super cheap. It's less than half the price. I got the other one in my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. But I really like this one. I wouldn't say it's my favorite brow product of all time. I've tried others that I like. I like the angled shape, but I like it more of a pencil and less of a pomade style. I like my pencil a little bit more stiff. This one's a little bit more creamy. I just find that's a little bit harder to apply than like a straight pencil. Like my all-time favorite brow product is the Anastasia Brow Definer because it's so quick and so easy. And this one, again, it's really, really good. But I like more pencil versus pomade style, or pomade in a pencil, as I'm kind of describing it. But again, if you're on a budget and you want a nice brow product, it works really well, and I really do like it. Now we've got the two empties I have this month. Again, not including my Project Pan items. You are going to have to stay tuned for that finale, and that is coming very soon. Hopefully I'll have it up before January 1st, but we're just kind of going to see where we're at. But let's just go ahead and start. I finished off it's the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. It's a smooth, let me say that again. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. And honestly, this is one of those I would repurchase again. I do like it. Every once in a while, it would break me out, but I think that had to do with the other products I was using in combination with this. So this doesn't work well from my experience in combination with all products, but I've also used this where it doesn't break me out. I like it. I can see it being something I do eventually repurchase, especially if I find it on sale. And again, it's really good. I've tried better. I've also tried worse. I think that if you are looking for a good 2-in-1 product to eliminate a step in your makeup routine, you might like this. Hopefully it is still available, but again, it's good. And yeah, if I find it on sale, I got this in a box charm I want to say last year, so I was super thrilled to have this in that box. I've tried things from First Aid Beauty that I like more, that I would repurchase more. I like their moisturizers. I'm not a huge fan of like a 2-in-1 product like that. I prefer my moisturizers separate from my primers just because I really want the moisture to really sink into my face and then prime on top of that. But if you are in the market for a good 2-in-1 and you want to eliminate that routine, I think that this would be a good one, and I actually did really like it. And then the last empty I had for this month is the IT Cosmetics Tightline Waterproof Mascara. This is the second one of these I had, and I could still get a little bit of product off, but not enough to really do my lashes. And for me to not have enough product, even after adding eye drops in, to really get my lashes done and get the volume in there. I mean, this is a lengthening mascara, but to not be able to do that, and even then adding other product on top of it, I don't have enough to really layer anyway. But I think it's done. It's close enough to being done. If I can't use it, I need to toss it. So I'm calling this an empty. I did like this. This is my second one of these. I think I got the regular instead of the waterproof last time. But would I repurchase this again? Probably not. I think that these kind of mascara wands is great for like getting into the lashes and getting into the tight line. However, I feel like my preferences have changed. since last repurchasing that. I like more of a fuller wand, something that is more separating, but something with that is just a little bit more heavy duty than just a tight line. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into my makeup hack for the month. And this r.e.m. Beauty, what is it? It's just their Metallic Gel Eyeshadow. I have the shade Affirmation. I bought this earlier this year and I had a hard time figuring out how to use this. However, I was following a tutorial one day where she didn't use this exact eyeshadow, but she used her finger, and I decided to use my finger to apply the eyeshadow, and I love the way it turned out. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. But all I did was I took whatever was in the cap, I dipped my finger in, and I tapped it all over the eyes. I actually tapped and swiped, so I kind of just did like a cocoa wick tap and then swiped all the way across the lid, and I feel like that worked really well. I actually prefer using my pointer finger, especially if I'm wanting to get into my inner corners, and you can do it all over the lid. You could do it just on the inner corner, a portion of the lid, or even underneath your lower lash line if you don't mind that. It might take a little bit of cleanup because using your fingers kind of doesn't get the precise application that you like, but I actually prefer this for a brush. And that is everything I have for our Makeup Monthly of 2022. I think all in all I skipped 1 month this year, and that's just because I didn't have a Makeup Monthly. And then the last Makeup Monthly I did was actually a Try to Get Ready with Me, so I've done a couple of different versions, but all in all I do plan on doing my Makeup Monthlies. I kind of switch up the way I do it, but I always kind of do them. I've been doing them since the beginning of my channel, but I kind of like this way of doing it. Just it kind of recaps everything. It allows me to show you what I'm emptying, what I'm able to get, and then just some hacks I've learned throughout the month, and I try to keep them on a month by month basis. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Christ as my Lord and Savior, and this seems like a good platform to be able to share both of those things in my life, as Christ is my number one, and beauty and fashion has always been kind of my passion. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.